On top inside Edo today, Edo State House of Assembly don inaugurate im members and elect new speaker for the 7th Assembly. Edo State House of Assembly don inaugurate im members and the clerk of the house, Audu Yaya Homogbai, na im do this one, as he call the members dem enter chamber and read the letter wey Governor Obaseki send give the clerk make take carry out this inauguration. As Audu Yahaya read this letter finish, he come call the house and the members then, may they come elect the new speaker for the 7th Assembly. And I write Honorable Frank Okiye, where they represent Esan Northeast Constituency 1, na him stand gidigba as the speaker, and Yekini Idaye, where they represent Akoko Edo Constituency 1 as the deputy speaker.
I, Honorable Francis Abumere Omolume Okiye, do solemnly swear
that I will be faithful
and
bear true allegiance
to
the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, I will discharge my duty to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the law.
As in complete the inauguration of the speaker and the deputy speaker, Right Honorable Frank Okiye can take charge, as in don tanda gidigba as the speaker to take elect the members them for house.
That I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That as a member of the House of Assembly, that I will abide by the code of conduct.
After the inauguration of the members, he can address the house. Frank Okiye tell the members elect say he happy well for the trust where they get for him may take serve the people of Edo State, and he won't tell them say he ready gidigba to deliver give them the best way he sabi do. He can congratulate the other members say and the ones wey no dey ground for their inauguration, make them quick come, sake of say this one go help all of them fit start the work where the people of Edo State where them give them do.
This is the formal inauguration of the house. Clerk, please will communicate to the executive that the house has been properly inaugurated in line with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That the correspondences are now open, and we expect in not too long a distant time to receive correspondences from the executive arm of government.
As they finish this inauguration, Honorable Roland Asoro can thank everybody wey dey around for the inauguration and the election of the Speaker of the 7th Assembly. He can move the House sitting to 17th of July 2019. Sake of say them need time to take arrange for accommodation, office and other logistics, the one wey go help legislative matter waka far for the House. And the House member wey they put in charge of this logistics now Honorable Roland Asoro, where they represent Orion 1 South constituency.
I want to seize this opportunity before I move the motion to thank every member elect that has been inaugurated today. I thank you all and give glory to God for the successful inauguration of the 7th Assembly. Having said that, Mr. Speaker, my colleague, I hereby move that this honorable House do not adjourn sitting till 17th July 2019. I so move.
The members were they present for this inauguration na Honorable Nosa Okumbo, Honorable Henry Okwarubo, Honorable Uyi Ekosei, Honorable Marcos Onobun, Honorable Ephraim Anebosele, Honorable Roland Asoro, Honorable Eric Okaka, Honorable Frank Okiye, and Honorable Yekini Idaye. Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top waiting shele for inside Edo today, as Edo State House of Assembly don inaugurate in members and elect Frank Okiye as the Speaker of the 7th Assembly for Edo State. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate on top waiting shele for inside Edo today. Na T Live Media na intanda and gidigba put for una. My name na Nimat Shagumo.